Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to close tab in laptop without using mouse. Closing a browser tab or an application windows using only your keyboard is a massive time saver. The exact shortcut depends on whether you want to close just a single tab or the entire window. So here's the quickest ways to do that. So if you have multiple tab opens in the browser like Microsoft Edge, Chrome or the Firefox, and you want only to shut down the active one. So for this you need to press the Ctrl plus W to close the active tab like this one. Here you can see that. Let me do again. Ctrl plus W and the tab is closed. And if you are using Mac, you need to press CMD plus W. So if you want to close the browser completely along with all its open tabs or exit a standalone application, you need to press Alt plus F4. And here it is. You can see that. And here you can see that all the tab and the browser is closed. This is pretty simple and easy. So I hope you understand how you can do that. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.